So in this video I want to ask you a very basic question, so why, why do we study function, or why do we even care about this function? That means I'm talking about its application. If we know why we're studying it, it would be more interesting to study a subject. If we are not studying a subject without knowing, just to do for an exam, no, that's not our purpose. Okay, so now if we talk about a function, now function is one of the very basic or fundamental topic in mathematics. Okay, now to study many advanced concept like other concept, like derivative, okay, we should understand function. Now this is not the only reason that we study function for. Now say a function, if we talk about a function, now function talks about the relation between two things, okay, and involve everything's are related. So if we have to understand in a better way, we have to understand the function, because mathematics is such a powerful tool that it gives you a new insight, new vision to see the world. Okay, so to see the world, definitely. Now I said it previously. Now so function is a subject that is studied prior to derivative. That means we study the function before learning derivative. Now derivative is quite important topic in mathematics. Why? Because this topic especially deals about how certain things changes with other things. Okay, now say for example in physics you have studied how velocity, okay, how velocity changes with time, definitely, isn't it? So that's one application of derivative. Now these things, okay, there are a lot of things. Now now one may be interested in biology. Now people may study about it, how does people behavior change with age. So again they are talking about the derivative, or in fact we need function to understand all kind of this thing. Now furthermore, now derivative has a lot of application. I'm talking about derivative is quite important. Now let me say how these things are important. Okay, let me give you some idea where derivative has are used. So derivative helps us to understand many things, especially in medical sciences. I give you an example of psychology. Similarly, it helps to understand nature. Okay, how does the nature works? And that is all about the physics or science itself. So understanding nature. So you may ask, even why even we bother to understand the nature? So to make life easier, we are using these phones, we are using this modern facility, everything, and nature is our ultimate teacher. Okay, because it teaches everything, whatever we have learned up to now, this is all that we have learned from the nature. So understanding nature helps us to build the things, and that's called engineering. Okay, now engineering can be in any kind of field. You don't think that engineering just means a person who go to have an engineering degree. A person staying in a home, they find a problem, try to solve a problem, they build something. Okay, they are an engineer, definitely a craftsman, whether a person that makes shoes, or whether a person that makes try to make anything's better, they are the engineer. Because engineering means just making stuff better. That is just the only concept. So and it is also used in economics. Now economics is quite important. It's all talk about money and after all this kind of things, how that manages all every kind of thing. So and there are many other field and application where we talk about derivative and this concept of function. Okay, so in the next video I'll start with the function, its concept, and we'll gradually solve the problem too.